welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we have an exciting video. We're going to play around with some hair. We're going to do a transformation. We're going to do side by sides. We're going to do it all today. Today's hair sponsor is RPGhair. Today I have installed a 20-inch 13x6 parting space. As you guys can see, this is 180% density. It is HD lace, you guys, and it's definitely giving HD. You guys want to see more details about this wig? Stick around.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god. So I was not recording. I had to straighten the hair all over again so you guys can see. So, you know, it's straight. It's straight again. But we're gonna curl it again. Even though you guys didn't see it. But it happened. Now we're gonna go back in time and start all over again with this process. Yeah, that happened. So I can say for a fact that the hair does straighten again after being curled. All you have to do is just spray it with water. You don't need anything special for this wig to turn curly. It'll start turning curly on its own, but you really want to wet her down pretty good so the curls can activate. And they activate on its own, which is crazy. So yeah, really wet her down. I like to do it in sections. Make sure you're getting the back. And I'm gonna show you what I do to really define the curls, but you'll start to see the curls forming up on its own, like for your eyes. Why did I just double check that it's recording? Because last time I thought it was recording too. Guys, as you can see, the curls have started to form already. I am going to be taking this top off that I have on, but right now it's wet and my shirt will, whatever I'm wearing would just get really wet underneath. Make sure like the root area is wet too. Have it, you guys. She's curly. This is what the curls look like. This is the lace up close. Beautiful. You guys, I didn't do anything. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't pluck this wig. This is how this baby came. So as you guys can see, this wig is very beautiful. Now it is in the curly state, and like I mentioned, this is a 3-in-1. So when you get the wig out of the box, you don't have to do anything. It is ready to go. I did not bleach this unit. I did not pluck this unit. Look at this hairline, you guys. We are really close up and she's looking gorgeous. Now for the install, I used my lace spray and that was pretty much it. I used that to sleek the sideburns down, the baby hairs, and all of the above. What I really like about this wig is the softness of the unit and the versatility of it. So after I had installed the wig, I wanted to see how straight it can actually get. So it definitely gets straighter, but before you even straighten it, it feels much softer than any like wet and wavy wig I've come across. And this one was like the smoothest, like when it was in the straight texture. So it was definitely giving like natural hair, African American, you know, blowout, or even like relaxed hair. It was very silky and smooth. If you would have told me this wig when it was straight would look like this when it's curled, I would have said, girl, no, don't play with me. But for real, you guys, as you guys saw when I styled this side, all I did was put water on it and that's what it looked like. The curls start activating on its own. I love it so much. I really love the parting space and how the wig is so HD. This unit is beautiful. The lace is beautiful. I'm going to show you guys like kind of roughly dry it in a bit before we go to show you guys how full it can get. But oh my god, the curls are just beautiful. It's super soft. This length is really cute for like this curly texture. I just love it so much. Okay, so this is what it looks like, a bit fuller, you know, blow dried, but if you let it dry naturally, it is gonna look even more defined. But that is the curl pattern on this unit. Absolutely gorgeous. If you guys couldn't tell already, I'm obsessed with this wig. I love it so much. I definitely recommend you guys checking them out. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys. It is a really good quality wig with a lot of versatility. If that's something that you guys are looking for, I would say I definitely recommend, and I would say this wig is Kaviar Kez approved, you guys. I gotta run. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.